Italian Brain Rot Quiz Part 1. If you got everything right, you are the king of Italian brain rot. Go! Question 1. Who is this? If you said, trallallero trallalla, you are so real for that. Correct! Question 2. Who is this little animal? If you said, trippi troppi, troppa trippa, then you're absolutely spank-diddly-umptiously right. On to question 3, the last question of the easy level. Who is this? If you said, tung 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 sahur, you're correct. You just turned your neurons into spaghetti. You are now an official Sigma potato medium level, extra crispy. Question 4. Who is this? If you said, chimpanzini bananini, then you're correct. On to question 5. Who is thy? If you said, bombardiro crocodilo, then you're correct. On to question 6, the last question of the medium level. Who is this? If you said, ballerina cappuccina, then you're correct. Moving on to the hard section. It's getting hard now. Question 7. Who is this Italian meme? If you said, bombombini gusini, then you're correct. On to question 8. Who is this? If you said, la vacca Saturno Saturnita, then you're so right. On to the last and hardest question of them all. If you get this right, you are the king of Italian brain rot. Wait, forget that. I'm the king. Anyways, who is this? The answer is Boneca Ambalabu. Let me know in the comments what your score is. Smash that like button.